Hey guys, so this is going to be a two-part video, as you can already tell from the title. I decided to straighten my hair on a whim, no special reason. I just wanted to see what it would look like straight. So I'm just going to show you how I revert it. So I'm using regular conditioner and I'm going to mix that with hydrolyzed protein, add that to a spray bottle, and then just saturate my hair with it. After I saturate each section, I just twist it up and I left it like that for about 20-30 minutes. I shampooed it out, and as you can see, my hair looks kinda almost pretty dead. So I kinda expected it because I never take any real precautions or any extreme measures to ensure that I didn't get heat damage. I just blow dried my hair and flat ironed it same way, and I did as a lot of passes and whatever. So I added my deep conditioner, my regular deep conditioner, and I covered it with a plastic cap and I left it for like an hour or so. So after I rinsed that out, later in the day I decided I wanted to do a braid out. So I moisturize my hair with those two products. I'll leave them in the description box, and I'm using water and gel to do my plaits. So as you can see, I'm just doing regular plaits, and when I reach to the front, I ensure I part it how I want my hair to lay. Yeah, I part it how I want my hair to lay, and I apply gel to my edges and to my ends, and then I smooth that out and just braid plait all the way down to the end. When I reach the end, I smooth it out, comb it again so that it can be smooth, and then I just finger curl it with some more gel on my fingers. So for the middle section, it's kind of hard to turn your neck and turn your hand all the way around to do a regular plait. So I'm just doing it like how I would do a braid. So I just hold them up like that, and then I continue to do a crisscross motion until I reach the end, and then I'm going to comb that out to smooth it out, twist it, and then coil it with more gel on my fingers. And when I take down the braids, my ends have a more uniform look. So for a closer look, I'm repeating the same steps. I'm spraying my ends with water, and then I'm adding gel to my edges and to my ends, and then I'm going to begin plaiting. So again, I section it in 3. Ensure that it's equal, because when it's equal you will get better results. And then I do the same crisscross motion, so it's in slow motion. So if you can pull out a section of your hair right now, and then just try to follow what I do. The hair from the far left, you cross it over the hair in the middle, and the hair from the far right, you cross it over the hair in the middle, and you just continue that motion until you have your plait. So again, when I get closer to the ends, I'm going to comb it out again, do a regular 2-strand twist, and then coil it with some more gel on my fingers. So here I'm just wasting my time laying down my edges. This is really not necessary unless you have the hair type that will stay when you sleep and wake up and wash your face and everything, and the edges will still be laid. My hair isn't like that, so I don't know what I was doing. Anyway, I didn't tie it down with this scarf. I just tied on my edges with a smaller scarf, and then I slept on a satin pillowcase, because when I tie it down with that scarf my hair doesn't dry. So yeah, that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and leave your comments and questions below. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you guys. Bye.